Hi friends, welcome to English Guru YouTube channel. Now I am going to teach you 20 multiple choice questions on prepositions which will come out in your competitive exams. Let's start. Fill in the blanks by using appropriate prepositions. 1. He died dash malaria. Option A of, B from, C in. My lovable students, my amiable friends. Its correct answer is of. He died of malaria. My lovable friends, my amiable students. Let's analyze why of will be the correct answer. Death. Death can be divided into two types. Natural death and unnatural death. Of is usually used for natural death. Natural death refers to any disease, old age, etc. Understood? So he died of malaria. Malaria is a disease. On the other hand, unnatural death refers to what happens unnaturally. Understood? Like that, if someone takes poison, if someone did suicide, if the snake beat someone. Understood? We can use from there. Question number 2. Cheese is made dash milk. Option A of, B from, C by. Its correct option is from. So my lovable students, my amiable friends, let's discuss about this question. Change in the state, we can use from there, and no change in the state, we can use of there. Because cheese is made from milk, the milk changed into cheese, but the cheese cannot be changed into milk again. It refers to change in the state. So we can use from here. And on the other hand, no change in the state. Like that, this chair is made of plastic, but before this chair was plastic. Till now it is also plastic. It has changed its form, but not its state. So my lovable students, my amiable friends, change in the state, we can use from. And no change in the state, we can use of. Question number 3. The old man died dash old age. Option A of, B from, C by. My lovable students, my amiable friends, I have already explicated you old age or any disease. If someone died of old age or of any disease, we can use of there. So old age or disease, what happens naturally, understood? We can use of there. And unnatural death like snake bite, or someone is taking poison, or someone did a suicide. Understood? What happens unnaturally, we can use from there. So it happens naturally like that, we cannot stay young forever. The old man died of old age. Question number 4. The man died dash overwork. Option A of, B from, C none of these. Let's analyze this question. Overwork, he worked hard, as a result he passed away. Understood? So overwork is also unnatural death. So its correct option is from. The man died from overwork. Question number 5. This bicycle remind dash my school days. Option A, of, B, from, C, in. My lovable students, my amiable friends, let's analyze this question. Remind of. Its correct option is remind of. Remind of is usually used to recall the past event on seeing a past thing. Understood? And remind about if you forgot but immediately someone recalled you. In this way, remind about is used. But this bicycle remind of my school days. Remind of refers to the past event. If anything recall you, if anything recalls you the past event, first thing, on seeing a past thing, on seeing a thing, you are just recalling the past. Understood? This bicycle remind of my school days. Question number 6. He reminded me dash the meeting. Option A, about, B, of, C, in. My lovable students, my amiable friends, remind of and remind about. Remind of, on seeing a thing, you are recalling your past event. Remind about, you forgot. Understood? You forgot, but someone recalled you. In this way, you can use remind about. So here, the correct option is remind about. Question number 7. The poet compared the dog dash the log. The poet compared the dog dash the log. Option A, with, B, to, C, in. Its correct option is option B. The poet compared the dog to the log. My lovable students, my amiable friends, compare to is usually used to compare to dissimilar things. And compare with is usually used to compare to similar things. Understood? So here option B will be the correct one. Question number 8. William Wordsworth is compared dash Radhanath Roy. William Wordsworth is compared dash Radhanath Roy. Option A, with, B, of, C, to. Its correct option is with. Why its correct option will be with? Let's analyze this question. I have already explained that compare to is usually used to express to dissimilar things, and compare with is usually used to express to similar things. Here William Wordsworth, the poet of nature or a romantic poet of English literature, and Radhanath Roy, a poet of Odia literature. Understood? They are two poets and they are two persons. Understood? That's why we can use compare with in this blank. Question number 9. The sweets distributed dash the children. Option A, between, B, among, C, with. Its correct option is among. My lovable students, my amiable friends, while we are talking about two persons or things, we can use between. While we are talking about 3 to more persons, we can use among. Understood? On the other hand, if the thing or any event or any numbers that may be, that is unlimited, we can use among there. Understood? The sweets distributed dash the children. The number of the children has not explicated here. The number of the children has not mentioned here. That's why we can use among in this blank. Question number 10. She distributed the sweets dash her two children. My lovable students, my amiable friends. Option A, with, B, among, C, between. Its correct option is between. While we are talking about two persons or things, we can use between there. Understood? Question number 11. The train arrives the station dash time. Option A, on, B, in, C, by. Let's analyze this question. Its correct option will be on. On time refers to fixed time and in time refers to earlier than. The train arrives the station on time. We can definitely use their on time because on time refers to fixed time and in time refers to earlier than. Question number 12. He went to America dash an aeroplane. Option A, by, B, on, C, to. Its correct option is on. My lovable students, my amiable friends. Let's analyze this question. If the articles will have written before the by means of travel, on is used there. Your aeroplane is a by means of travel and on is used here. On, this is an article. Understood? We have already known that articles are two types. Definite article, these called definite article, and a and an are called indefinite articles. So before this by means of travel, on is used. That's why we can use on. Understood? On is used before the by means of travel if the articles will have written. If the articles will have written before the by means of travel, we can use on there. So here aeroplane is a by means of travel and on is article which is used before it. That's why he went to America on an aeroplane. Question number 13. He paid the bill dash the check. He paid the bill dash check. Three options have also given here. Option A, with, B, by, C, in. My lovable students, my amiable friends. While someone is giving you cash, you can use in there. You cannot use by there. Mode of payment, we can use by check, by NEFT, by Google Pay, by Phone Pay, we can use. Here also you can use by is the correct option. Option B. He paid the bill by check. Question number 14. He paid the bill dash cash. We cannot use by here. Option A, in. Option B, by. C, with. Its correct option is in. If someone is giving you the case, you can use in there. He paid the bill in case. Understood? Next one, question number 15. Susmita caught the apple dash a knife. My lovable students, my amiable friends. Option A, with, B, by, C, in. My lovable students, my amiable friends, take a glance here. A knife. A knife is an instrument. A knife is an instrument. Susmita caught the apple dash a knife. So its correct option is with. With is an instrumental preposition. If an instrument is used anywhere, understood? Susmita caught the apple with a knife. definitely we can use with here. Question number 16. Ramesh is swimming dash the river. Ramesh is swimming dash the river. Option A, across. B, in. C, into. Its correct option is across. Ramesh can move from one side to another side of that river. Understood? So across means from one side to another side. Ramesh is swimming across the river. Question number 17. He is working dash a factory. Option A, in. B, on. C, with. Its correct option is in. In is used to express if the place is a surrounded area. Understood? If the place is a surrounded area, we can use in there. So definitely he is working in a factory. Question number 18. He lives dash Ashok Nagar in Bhubaneswar. Option A, art. B, in. C, by. My lovable students, my amiable friends, its correct option is art. Art is used before small areas. Understood? And in is used before large area. So Ashok Nagar is a small place in Bhubaneswar. He lives at Ashok Nagar in Bhubaneswar. Question number 19. At noon time, the sun is dash our heads. My lovable students, my amiable friends. The three options I've given here, I'm sorry to express that the correct option has not given here. At noon time, understood? At noon time, the sun is above our heads. At noon time, the sun is above our heads. Above refers to vertically straight, and above means not vertically. Understood? And in, if the places of work is a building, if the places of work is a surrounded area, we can use in there. And on is used to express the idea of touching or close contact. If the places of work is not a building, on is used there. On is also used before day and dates. I have also explicated you that if the articles will have written before the by means of travel, on is used there. Understood? But question number 19, at noon time, the sun is above our heads. Understood? And the last one, question number 20, he is accused dash theft. He is accused dash theft. Option A, on. B, off. C, for. Its correct option is off. Option B. He is accused of theft. So off is the fixed preposition of accused. Accused of theft. He is accused of theft. My lovable students, my amiable friends. Success comes to those who work hard and continue learning. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe this English Guru YouTube channel to brush up your knowledge on grammatical points of English. Thanks a lot. May God bless you.